Western Indian Ocean, crossed by major maritime routes, is of crucial importance not only for Eastern and Southern Africa and the Indian Ocean region, but also for Asian countries, Middle East and Europe. The emergence of piracy off the coast of Somalia in early 2000 led to the intervention of the international community to combat this new threat to international trade and regional sustainable development. States of Eastern and Southern Africa and Indian Ocean, with the support of the European Union, committed themselves to fight against piracy, which has diminished since then, but also to extend their mobilization against other maritime threats and crimes. This regional commitment is materialized through the Maritime Security Program, known as MASE Program, which contributes to regional maritime security and ultimately to the emergence of a sustainable blue growth. Launched in 2012, MASE Program brings together 15 countries of ESA-IO region under a common goal: enhance maritime security and create a favorable environment for sustainable economic development of the region. With a €37.5 million fund from the European Union, MASE targets 5 results through 4 regional organizations. Result 1. Building Somali capacity through alternative livelihoods is ensured by IGAD, coordinator of the program, in close collaboration with UN Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Result 2. National and regional capacity building in law enforcement, prosecution and detention is implemented by EAC in partnership with Interpol and UNODC. Result 3. Strengthening regional capacity to combat illicit financial flows and money laundering is ensured by COMESA with Interpol's assistance. Results 4 and 5 are conducted by IOC. Result 4 consists in building national and regional capacity to improve actions at sea. The creation of the Regional Coordination Operations Center, RCOC, based in Seychelles, is a major step to enhance regional capabilities. Result 5 aims at implementing a regional mechanism of exchange and sharing of maritime information through the creation of the Regional Maritime Information Fusion Center, RMIFC, based in Madagascar. MASE Program advocates a comprehensive approach to combat maritime crimes and threats in the Eastern, Southern Africa and Indian Ocean. For instance, the creation of the 2 complementary regional centers under IOC's supervision are core instruments in building a regional architecture of maritime security, while RMIFC collects, analyzes and fuses maritime information and establishes a Maritime Situational Awareness (MSA) with the technical support of EU CRIMARIO. RCOCs is meant to organize joint and coordinated interventions at sea. It also aims at improving cooperation and coordination with key partners in the field of maritime security in the region, such as EU NAVFOR Atalanta. For legal matters, law enforcement, legislation and infrastructure for arrest, transfer, detention, trial and imprisonment of contraveners, EAC, in close collaboration with Interpol and UNODC, ensures that national and regional capabilities of different authorities are strengthened and developed. It aims at endorsing harmonized legal actions within participating states and promoting interagency cooperations, disrupting financial networks and addressing structural vulnerability factors to minimize economic impact are under COMESA's supervision in partnership with Interpol. Apart from enhancing regional capacities of FIU's investigators and related authorities to detect financial crimes, COMESA ensures that they are in line with international standards. This is meant to foster interagency cooperations to break financial networks of pirates, smugglers and their sponsors to incapacitate money laundering initiatives. Finally, IGAD and FAO are continuously working with Somalian communities to improve capacity building and promote alternative livelihoods through vocational development initiatives and advocacy against piracy and other maritime crimes. IGAD is also working closely with local authorities to ensure that maritime coordination mechanisms are reinforced in Somalia. Maritime insecurity prevents ESA-IO countries to develop their potential to the fullest. With political states' commitment to collaborate together, a strong regional cooperation and decisive international partners like EU, MASE is the expression of a common will to strengthen maritime capacity of the Eastern and Southern Africa and Indian Ocean and beyond.